Samsung One UI 7 Notes, port for Android devices. Starting with the app itself, there is updated design to align with One UI 7's design language. Samsung-exclusive AI features are available only for Samsung devices, but don't worry. Even if you're using a non-Samsung device, there are still plenty of features to explore. You can now import PDF files, customize them, and edit them the way you want. Inside the Notes settings, you'll find multiple customization options, including appearance customization, change the style and theme, notes locking, secure your notes with a password, notes, assistant, a smart way to organize your notes, and many more features for you to explore. Widgets. There are 4 widgets available to make note-taking even easier. Use them for quick access to your notes, instant note-taking, reminder-style ticking notes. Now, let's jump on to how to install. 1. Download the app from the link in the video description. 2. Install the APK as you would any normal app. 3. That's it, you're good to go. Let me know in the comments how it's working on your device. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe to my channel. See you in the next one.